Hey guys, welcome back to another easy and quick tutorial, and today we're here to talk about how to create an eBay seller account with managed payments for 2023. So first things first, you want to make sure that you have an eBay account. So if you don't have one already, go ahead and input your details. You can even input your Google account and Facebook account or even your Apple account to log into your eBay. Now you have the option for choosing either a personal or a business account, but for the purposes of this video, let's just make a simple personal eBay account. Once you've made your eBay account, you can go through the settings to see the basics of what you can do with your eBay seller account. So the first thing you want to do is select List an Item. From there, you can type a plethora of different options to search for default listings that eBay has available. For now, let's type bags so that we can make a listing for a luxury handbag. From here, you can set the conditions of the item and any other details that may be important when selling a product. For now, let's choose New with tags and then click Continue to Listing. From here, eBay will ask you to provide your contact info. This is so that potential buyers can contact you and message you for any inquiries regarding your products. Once you've put in your contact info, you can put in even more different details for the product listing. Of course, don't forget to name your product. And it's also very important to put photos of the actual product you're selling. It's really important to make sure that the photos you post about your product listing are accurate and clear to show the quality of product. Reputability when it comes to selling on eBay goes a long way, so making sure you have quality content for your listing is very important. Here you have the options to list your product item with a fee, to preview your item to see how it will look like for buyers, and to save it for later in case you want to still make a draft of your product listing. On the upper right corner, you can select My eBay, and from here you can see the overview of all the products that you're selling. For now, we can see that we still haven't posted the draft for the bag we wish to sell. So it'll show here as a draft. On the left-hand side, go on and click on Selling, and underneath that, click on Payments. When accessing your payments list, eBay will ask you for your password. This is to verify that you're the one accessing your account. The payments list is important because this is where you will attach your accounts in terms of receiving payments for your product listings. Select Continue and then select Add Payment option. From here, you can add a credit or debit card attached to your account, and this is how you'll be receiving payments made through your eBay selling account. Add in your info, and let's go back to your Payments menu, and on the left-hand side, click on Personal Information. eBay will again ask you to input your password for security purposes. Here, you can double-check your personal information. For now, let's check your phone number and make sure that you verify it, because it's important to have a verified phone number for all payment purposes. It's also important to note that the PayPal account linking is no longer available, which is why we went directly to linking a credit or debit card account to our eBay seller account. On the upper right corner, select My eBay and then select Summary. This will show you a summary of your eBay seller account so that you can see the things that you could do to improve your eBay account as a seller. Also in the summary, you can see your messages. And this is where you'll see all messages pertaining to all the products you've been listing and even messages sent to you as an eBay seller. You'll also find conversations you have with other sellers when you want to shop for your own things. eBay makes it as easy as possible for us to make an eBay account to start selling anything we want. If we go back to our activity and go underneath the Selling tab on the left-hand side, you can see that we can have an active overview of all the active sell orders we have, the items we've sold, the items we haven't sold. It's so easy for us to list an item, and we can even have active promotions for all the products that we're selling. It'll also show us all the drafts, and we can even schedule orders to be listed when we aren't able to list it ourselves on the day we wish. And that's really all there is to making an eBay seller account. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start one now so you can start making some profit on the side. It's as simple and easy as that. And if you've learned anything in this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tutorial content. If you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.